Community health assessments often include a diverse array of partners. This is a good thing. These partners can include community health centers, schools, community organizations, healthcare institutions, health agencies, economic development corporations, and other partners, including small businesses, that all have a vested interest in the health of the community. However, it can also be challenging when trying to not only prioritize health issues, but when trying to figure out what a particular health issue means and how it will be defined in order to determine what the best solution is to address that health issue. Imagine, for example, that a community health assessment identifies violence as a critical public health issue. The qualitative and quantitative data all suggested that violence in all of its forms is an important issue in the community. This includes domestic violence, school violence, firearm-related violence. It includes interpersonal violence. But now it's important to figure out where we will start. What do you address first? How do you define violence in order to determine the right solution? A solution to address domestic violence may be very different from one designed to reduce school violence. A solution to address firearm-related violence may be somewhat different from one designed to reduce interpersonal violence. Different partners may have different perspectives. The schools may be more interested in focusing on school-related violence and violence among children and adolescents. The community health center may be more interested in addressing domestic violence and may have an interest in starting there. So how do we balance these perspectives? This is where it's important to have an honest and consensus-based decision-making process. It's important for partners to know that we will not be able to meet every perspective, but that over time, all of the perspectives will be met. Sometimes it's just a question of figuring out where you start and knowing where you're going to end up. But the important thing is that all of these different perspectives are considered and that everyone feels like their perspective is being heard. That is often the most critical step when trying to balance the different perspectives that may exist.